Looking for the best Singer sewing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4432. After conducting thorough testing, our team is thrilled to announce that the Singer 4432 has emerged as one of the finest sewing machines from the renowned Singer brand. We want to ensure you are well informed about this remarkable machine, which has proven its exceptional capabilities in handling a diverse range of sewing tasks effortlessly. From dealing with delicate fabrics to tackling thick layers, the Singer rises above the rest, securing its spot as a top choice. Its robust motor guarantees powerful performance, while its extraordinary durability ensures it stands the test of time. This machine is no ordinary contender, it is in a league of its own. Its versatility is truly commendable, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned sewers. No matter your level of experience, the Singer will consistently deliver unmatched reliability and exceptional results. We deeply understand the importance of having a sewing machine that does not compromise on performance, which is why we confidently crown the Singer 4432 as the undisputed champion in the realm of sewing equipment. Its reliability and performance are unmatched, providing you with the confidence and ease to create your heart's desire. So whether you are a professional or an amateur, the Singer 4432 will be your ultimate sewing partner, a true champion that will strengthen your sewing journey. Number 2. Singer M1500 Mechanical. Are you looking for the perfect sewing machine to kickstart your sewing journey? Look no further than the Singer M1500, a top-rated sewing machine highly recommended by my team and myself. We have extensively tested and analyzed various models, and the M1500 stands out as one of the best choices, especially for beginners. Singer, a renowned brand in the sewing world, has meticulously crafted the machine with remarkable skill. This sewing machine is equipped with a wide range of features and qualities that make it the perfect companion for your sewing adventures, particularly when you're on the move. Whether you're a novice or just starting out in the sewing world, the Singer M1500 offers exceptional performance and ease of use. With its user-friendly design, you'll have no trouble navigating through the various functions, allowing you to focus on unleashing your creativity. Additionally, the portability is a standout feature. Its compact size and lightweight build make it incredibly convenient to take with you anywhere you go. Whether you're attending sewing classes, visiting friends, or simply working in different spaces, the machine will always be there to support your sewing endeavors. Discover the joy of sewing with the Singer M1500. Let it be your trusted companion on your sewing journey, helping you turn your ideas into beautiful creations. Before we reveal Number 3. Singer M3500. If you're in search of an affordable sewing machine that's perfect for beginners, look no further. Our top recommendation is this budget-friendly option, priced at under $200. Don't let its compact size fool you, because this model packs a powerful punch. Whether you have limited space in your work area or prefer a smaller machine, this one is ideal. One of the standout features we love about this sewing machine is its automatic needle threader. We put it to the test and were blown away by how easy it was to use. With just a few simple steps, your needle will be threaded and ready to go. It saves you time and frustration. We also found that this machine effortlessly handled a range of materials such as wool and cotton jersey. It did struggle a bit with silk, chiffon, and other delicate fabrics, but for everyday tasks it's more than capable. The one-step buttonhole function did encounter some occasional hiccups during testing, but a quick rethread solved the issue and it resumed flawless operation. If you're someone who enjoys patching up small tears and holes in your clothing, this machine is perfect for you. Its small size allows for easy maneuverability, making repairs a breeze. Don't let the affordable price tag fool you, because this sewing machine is a dependable companion for any sewing enthusiast. Number 4. Brother CS7000X Computerized. Are you a beginner looking for a sewing machine that's easy to use and can handle more complex tasks as you progress? Look no further than this Brother model. With its intuitive design and impressive features, it's the perfect machine for novices like you. This Brother sewing machine comes equipped with a needle up-down button, multiple buttonhole options, an impressive selection of 70 stitch choices, and clear instructions for threading and bobbin winding. After evaluating the machine in our lab, we found that tasks like threading, changing presser feet, and adjusting the speed were all surprisingly simple. While it did face some challenges with satin materials, this machine performed admirably on a variety of fabrics with minimal inaccuracies or issues. And don't be misled by the initially short thread holder. It can be easily adjusted to your preferred height to help you get started on your sewing journey. This Brother model comes with 10 distinct presser feet and several bobbins, Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to upgrade from a basic machine, this intuitive and feature-packed Brothers Sewing machine is here to support you every step of the way. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. Introducing the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine, a trusted companion for all your heavy-duty sewing needs. Whether you're a professional seamstress or a DIY enthusiast, this machine is specially designed to effortlessly tackle tough materials like leather and denim with its durable construction and powerful performance. The heavy-duty 4452 can easily sew through multiple layers of sturdy fabrics thanks to its compatibility with size 16 needles. You can work on thick denim with ease, achieving professional results every time. But that's not all. It comes with a non-stick foot for use with leather and vinyl, ensuring smooth and precise stitching without any damage or slipping. With the adjustable presser foot pressure, you have complete control over your sewing experience. So whether you're working on lightweight fabrics or heavy-duty materials, this machine will adapt to your needs, requiring less force and giving you ultimate precision. And let's not forget about versatility. With 32 built-in stitches, this machine is equipped to handle any project, from simple hemming to intricate designs. Rest assured it's a reliable companion for all your sewing adventures. Up next in 4th place is the